In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a Clever account. Yes, Clever is an online bank where you can get a US bank account at the comfort of your home. You don't need to live in US just to have a US bank account. You can easily do this from anywhere in the world at the comfort of your home. Clever is just like Gray and GeekPay. So they're going to give you a free US bank account which you can use to send and receive payments in USDT. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a step-by-step guide on how you can successfully create a Clever account. I'm going to be showing you every single details, the sign up, the verification, the approval, and every single thing that you need to know about Clever. Alright, my name is Jen Francis. If this is the first time I'm coming across my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop awesome videos. So let's get straight to the video. The first thing you need to do is to go to Play Store. Once you're on Play, search for Clever. You are going to see their app, and I'm also going to show the icon of their app, or you can use their websites for sign up. I might be leaving a link in the description box or in the comment section, so you can either use their app or their website, anyone you prefer. So let's open the app because I've downloaded the app on my phone. Let's go. So you can see Smart USDT banking, a Clever. Okay, so I'm just going to click. If you have an account with them already, you can just log in, but I know you don't have an account with them, that's why you're watching this video. So let's just click on create account. So here you'll be required to enter your first name, last name, government issued ID. Okay, so please, while entering your name, make sure that it is the same way that it is in your national ID card. So I'm just going to enter my first name here, then last name, first name, last name. So here it says government issued ID. We can only accept identity documents from countries on this list. We will add more countries. So just click on the drop down. You can see Nigeria. Then enter email address. I'm just going to enter my email address here. And here I'll enter my phone number. So you are going to enter your password. I don't know, I always say this in all my videos. Why creating a password on any platform? Make sure that the password is at least 8 characters long, and make sure it's a combination of uppercase, lowercase, signs, and symbols. So I'm just going to create my password to match their characters now. You can see now that the password really matched their characters. So here you can see referral code. I'll be leaving my referral code at the screen now. Make sure to copy it and use it. They'll be giving you a $5 sign-up bonus, I think. Yes, for using my referral code. So I'll be leaving my referral code at the screen right now for you to use it. And also, I might be leaving it in the description box so that you can also go in the description box and copy it. So once you copy my referral code, paste it here. Then you click on I've read and agreed to clear conditions. Then if you want to be receiving emails from them, you can also tick the first box. So I'm just going to tick the second one and we continue. Or let me tick the two of them. We can continue. So it says verify your email address. We have sent an email to KK channel. Okay, please click on the button to that email to verify your email address. So I'm just going to go to my mailbox, and they sent me a link on my email, and I'm going to verify my email address, and then I'll go back to login. So guys, I've just verified my email address. All I did was just open my mailbox, click on the mail that Clever sent to me, click on the link and it showed me that my account has been verified. So now I'm just going to log in to the account. I'm going to enter my email address and then the password. And click on login. So it says create security pin, a 4-digit pin to secure your Clever account. So I think this is the pin that you'll be using to be logging into your Clever account. So I'm just going to create one. So make sure it's something you remember. It's going to be 4 digits. So I'm just going to create mine now and confirm the pin. So you can create pin. So it says welcome back Chinemerem. Please confirm your pin to access your Clever account. So I'm just going to enter my pin now. So it says, welcome to Clever. Please let us know how you heard about us. Okay, you can see from a friend, from Google search, from YouTube. So I'm just going to submit this. So you can see benefit of a Clever USDT. Complete your KYC, then open your USDT account and enjoy the following benefits. So guys, we are not done yet. For us to have full access to our Clever account, we have to complete our KYC, which is know your customers. So I'm just going to click here to do that. It says let's verify your identity. Please complete your KYC verification to continue using Clever in 3 steps, in 3 simple steps. Number one is to provide your personal information, yeah, like your legal name, date of birth, BVN, etc. Verify your ID, upload your passport, voter's card, driver's license, or enter your NIN number. Take a selfie. Complete your verification with a real-time selfie. I'm just going to click on get started. Let's see. Okay, so here I'm going to enter my legal name, legal first name Chinemerem. Middle name is optional, but just enter it, Dear Francis, so it will match your ID and everything. Anyway guys, if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop awesome videos. It gives me more energy and support to put out more content for you guys. So now we are going to enter our last name. Okay. Then here date of birth. Second. Okay. September 2nd, 2006. So I've entered my date of birth, nationality, which is Nigeria, bank verification number, that is your BVN. So I'm just going to enter mine. So now, we're going to enter your BVN, your bank verification number. In case you don't know yours, you can just dial *565# on the mobile number that is connected to your BVN, and you're going to see your BVN. So I'm just going to enter mine and we continue with the verification. So now I've entered my BVN. The next thing is to enter my address. Then next thing is to enter city, then state, Anambra State, and you click on continue. It says BVM verified successfully, so just click on continue. Here you're going to enter your employment and source of income, current employment status. I'm going to click on self-employed, most recent occupation, uh let me look for video editing. Oh, okay, let's use digital marketer. Then you can see primary purpose of this account. You can see receive salary from employers, receive payments for freelancing, receive payment from friends and families abroad, business transactions, pay for goods and services online. I'm just going to use it as for business transactions. So it says, where do you expect most of your payments to come from? I'm just going to take Payoneer, Fiverr, PayPal. But I think you can only tick two. I'm just going to tick Payoneer, and I'll just tick this one as well. You can only tick two options here. So just click on done. Make sure you tick PayPal. Oh. So it says, how much do you expect to receive each month? Let's just put 1,000 to 500, 1,000 USDT to 5,000 USDT. Just enter yours according to the amount you expect. So you says, will you receive funds from for yourself or on behalf of someone else? I'll click on I'm receiving funds for myself, and you click on continue. So it says document verification. Please ensure that you have one of the following documents below. We are unable to accept other documents at this time. So you can see international passports, driver's license, voter's card, and NIN number. So for this, I'll be using my NIN number. Then you click on enter NIN number. So I'm just going to enter my NIN number now. So I've entered my NIN number, and I'm just going to click on continue. By the way, it's not a must that you must use your NIN. You can use your passport, driver's license, voter's card, depending on the document that you have. So now it says NIN verification successful. So I'm just going to click on continue. So the next thing is to take a live selfie. So here, tips of uploading your live selfie. Due to color flashes, we caution us to use, okay, ensure that you are well kept light area. Ensure your selfie shows your full face. So I'm just going to take my selfie now, and we continue the video. So it says your selfie has been uploaded successfully. So I'm just going to click on continue. It says KYC verification pending. Thank you for submitting your information. We will send you a notification within 1 to 2 days with the status of your verification. So they are verifying my documents to make sure everything is correct so that they can approve our account. So once they approve it, I'm going to check the time frame it took them to approve the account, and then we apply for our USDT account. So I'm going back to my dashboard. After I completed the KYC verification on Clever, they sent me this email. Congratulations, your Clever account has been verified. It says, Dear Chinemerum, congratulations, your KYC verification was successful. Now that your account has been verified, You can start receiving USDT payments, saving in USDT, and paying out your local bank account. Thank you for choosing Clever. So you see that it took them, is it up to 2 minutes, a minute, and my account and everything was verified. So I'm just going to go back to the Clever app now and request for my USDT bank account. If you followed my guide and step by step, definitely your account is going to be approved as well, very fast. So now on the Clever app, we are going to request for our USDT video account. So I'm just going to click here. You can see request a USDT visual account. I'm just going to click on this and confirm. Your USDT visual account is getting ready. You will be notified in about a day when the visual account is ready. Forget all these a day to 2 days they keep mentioning. Like I can remember on the verification they said 1 to 2 days, but it only took them a minute to do the verification. So I'm just hoping that it goes the same with this one as well. So I'm just going to click on go home. Wow, so if you look up here, you can see, if you look up here now, you can see that my USDT video account is pending. So once they approve it, and we move on. So guys, like I said before, they have just approved my US bank account. It didn't even take up to 2 minutes, and they just did that. Once you follow the instructions right and you follow all the steps, your account is going to be approved instantly. So if you look up here, you can see my US bank account. You can see that it's showing USDT. You can see it. It didn't even take them up to 5 minutes, maybe 2 minutes, and the account was approved. So if you click on accounts, here, if you click on it, you can see minimum deposit $1, maximum deposit. Okay, so you can see my account details. You can see my account details here. You can see account name, bank, account number, routine number, account type, personal check-ins, and you can see account address. So this particular account, you can also use it for PayPal. Yes, you can also link it to PayPal account. So guys, this brings us to the end of these tutorials. If you got value from this video, kindly subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I repeat, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It gives me more energy and support to put out more content for you guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye.